Hey everybody, Mrs. KJ here doing part 2 of lesson 5.01, Balancing Chemical Equations for Core Chemistry. Alright, so we were just finishing up this problem. Sorry, I couldn't make it fit in those 15 minutes. So we need to balance out our aluminum. So I got rid of the 2 here, and basically all this gets crossed off. And I'm going to start over. I have 1 aluminum. And I want to have a total of how many? I want to have a total of 4. And so what coefficient will I have to use? I'll have to use a coefficient of 4. See, told you, coefficients are not always 2. Because 4 times 1 equals 4. All right, now I can double check again. I have 4 aluminums on each side and 6 oxygens on each side. So as you notice here, sometimes you got to start over with the coefficient, and that's the advantage of writing them out, especially for the ones that are a little bit more complex. All right, so we went through basically all the slides of practices. However, I do want you to go into the Explore lesson. If you go to slide 8, there's a bunch of practicing balancing equations, and the only way to get good at these is to practice. So they have a whole list of these that you can go through. You can check your answers, make sure that you're doing well. Some are easier than others. This is a good one, for example, to practice because I have oxygen in 2 places. So some of them will have those little tricks, and that way you can get better at them. All right. So chemical reactions are described through chemical equations, which must be balanced, to show the amount of products and reactants, which must be the same. Balancing equations ensures that a chemical reaction adheres to the law of conservation of mass. All chemical reactions conserve mass. That is, mass is neither created nor destroyed in the process of a chemical reaction, it's just changed. Therefore, the chemical equation written to represent a reaction must be balanced. The mass of the products must equal the mass of the reactants. When discussing chemical equations, it is necessary to create balanced equations. For example, you can guess and test to come up with the correct way to balance them, which is how they showed you, which I was like, no, that's terrible. But some of them, the more that you practice, you'll just be able to see how to balance them, but otherwise, give my method a try. If you go through all these on slide 8 and you're like, wow, I still need more practice, send me an email. I have more practice problems available for you. In fact, if you want more practice, if you go under Content, and then Unit 5, the next one is 5.01 and 5.02, Review Worksheets. So I have it's a game, I have some worksheets and answer keys for you to go over. There's some more videos and stuff, so you can look there as well. Again, that was under Content. There's a whole nother little section there for you to practice. All right, come see me when you need help.